Hello YouTube, today I'm repairing a Porsche 12-volt battery. So what is this? So you see, so this is actually the 12-volt battery is also it is lithium battery. So the lithium battery, after there is a low voltage, then 12 volt it will become, the BCM will become locked. So the BCM need to unlock with our X-431 43. So this is the fixing. Okay, so now this one, after the fixing the BCM and the battery, it needs to be charged also. So the battery, lithium battery, need to be charged with the battery cell equalizer. So this one we will set up around 5 ampere with the 3.3 target to charging the battery, lithium battery. The spec is here. It need to be 13.2. So this is 13, need to be 13.2. We test now. There is still have 0.2. After the fixing, just put the BCM back together and the battery alive. Okay, so that's all for the sharing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.